Ozempic helped people lose 15% of their body weight. But doctors are warning, it's not a magic shot, and the side effects? They're brutal. Let's break down the real truth about Ozempic for weight loss. Ozempic is semaglutide, a drug originally FDA approved for type 2 diabetes. But at higher doses, sold as Wegovy, it's green-lit for weight loss. Both work the same way. They mimic a natural hormone called GLP-1, produced in your gut and brain when you eat. But here's the twist. Ozempic supercharges it. GLP-1 does 3 key things in our body. It lowers blood sugar by forcing your pancreas to release insulin, slams the brakes on your stomach, which means food digests slower, so you feel full for hours. It's your brain's hunger off switch, killing cravings. Natural GLP-1 fades in minutes. But Ozempic? It stays in your blood for 7 days. That's why it's so powerful for weight loss. It turbocharges fullness and appetite suppression. But this power comes at a cost. Common side effects of Ozempic are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea due to slowed stomach. And serious risks include pancreatitis, which is deadly pancreas inflammation. Gallstones can form due to rapid weight loss. Muscle loss, there is a risk that up to 40% of weight loss can be muscle, not fat. Oh, and rodent studies linked it to thyroid cancer, but humans? We're still waiting for answers. If you still want to try Ozempic, start low. Ramp up doses slowly to dodge side effects. Pair with protein and lifting. Without it, you'll lose muscle and get weaker. Never skip diet and exercise. Ozempic is a tool, not a cure. If you stop taking it, the weight rushes back. It costs over $1,000 a month without insurance. Some turn to compounding pharmacies, but beware sketchy online sellers. And insurance. They'll fight you unless you have diabetes. Ozempic is actually for obese patients with failed diets, type 2 diabetics needing weight loss. But if you just want to lose 10 pounds, skip it. The risks and costs aren't worth it. Tweak your diet and gym routine first. Ozempic isn't a miracle. It's a medical tool with real risks. Use it wisely, or Mother Nature will send the bill.